Today, we unbox the Google Nest Audio, the successor to the Google Home. The Google Nest inherits the best from the Google Home. With Google Assistant, it can be the command center to your connected devices while act as a powerful audio device that will fill your living room with music. The new Google Nest Audio speaker sounds like a booming speaker. It is 75% louder and has 50% stronger bass than the original Google Home, which we already thought had great bass. This is made possible with its 19mm tweeter and 75mm mid-woofer. The Google Nest Audio has a height of 175mm, width of 124mm and depth of 78mm. The device weighs 1.2 kilograms, without external power adapter.
Hey Google, set volume to 75%. Hey Google, set volume to 100%. Hey Google, set volume to 50%. Hey Google, set volume to 75%. Hey Google, set volume to 100%. Hey Google, stop playing.
Stay tuned and remember to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for future notification of new videos. Also check our website at http://en.ocworkbench.com for any new reviews.